Okay, we will now demo to you the hybrid solar light. Now, why is it called hybrid? Because unlike an ordinary solar light, it has two inputs. It can power the LED using the power from the DC or the battery, and it has a secondary input. Come closer. Unlike an ordinary solar light, you cannot see a wire like this in an ordinary solar light. But in a hybrid solar light, it has a wire like this because this is where we connect the AC or the 220 volts. So let us first try this unit, turning it on without plugging first the 220 volts. So this case, we can still install a hybrid solar light just like an ordinary solar light because it will also turn on. The only limitation is this. If there will be several days, like 8 to 10 days of rainy days, and the battery will not have enough charge because the solar panel cannot harvest so much, it will turn off. And that will resort to very dark streets. Now, the main difference of a hybrid solar light is that of this AC input. So now, it is turning on using DC power. I will plug this to 220 volts. So which means right now, in the controller, there are already two inputs. DC power from the battery and 220 volts from the grid. But the grid is not yet kicking in because again, the primary input will be battery. Now what will happen if the battery is low or not charged at all? The unit will not turn off because the moment I remove the battery, the controller automatically gets from the second input, which is the AC. So right now, it is turning on using the power from the grid or 220 volts. So to prove that, if I unplug this, the LED should turn off. See, it turned off because there's no power from the battery and no power from the grid. So this is a product that are usually installed in areas where the government do not want the street lights to turn off even if there are already 8 to 10 rainy days. Because these are areas where there are so many people being used regularly and areas where it is not suitable to be dark with no street lights at all. So this is the hybrid solar light with DC input as a primary and AC input as the secondary.